Hello, everyone, this is Ryan here. It is December 5th, 2025, 10:30 in the morning. I just finished my video about my hometown and my other hometown in Kelowna. And we have a snowstorm. Big huge fluffy snowflakes, big chunky snowflakes are just falling right now in Kelowna. Temperature is about +1, 0. And it's starting to accumulate already. Absolutely amazing. This is what I wanted because it's almost Christmas. I wanted this snow, and it looks like it's just starting up, guys. I just can see the snowflakes. Okay. Holy smokes, guys! Just finished my other video and came outside and it's snowing. We got a winter wonderland happening here in Kelowna. These snowflakes, guys, it's crazy. Alright, guys, take care and thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the snow, guys. So we have snow today in Kelowna. Take care.